Welcome to Dartmouth Square. Dartmouth. I'll put the thing up on the screen. Anyway, so for this part you have to be very quiet because each one of these houses are worth over $1 million, I reckon. And if they hear my accent, the guards will be called very quickly because they'll think I'm up to something, which I'm not. Also note, to enter this park you have to have at least €50 note on you, or you'll actually get shot. It's that rich of a neighbourhood. They have cameras in the trees that will detect whether you have a €50 note on you or not. If not, they have laser no, I'm joking, I'm just joking. But no, the house prices around here are probably insane. So yeah, come on, 20 million subscribers watching thousands and thousands and thousands of my videos. Yeah, and donating hundreds of thousands so I can buy one of these. Nah, sorry, I'm a bit giddy because this is the last video of the day. It's a nice park. I've never actually been in this park. Well, they have to look quite nice now. So I like the way they have the cutout to see in to the other people over that way, so you can kind of be people watching here. That's pretty cool. You have this nice thing now. Don't forget, now it is December 11th, so it's technically winter, or it is winter. December, January, February is winter. It's fairly mild today. There's no wind. It's like about 10 or 11 degrees, so not too cold. Not hot either, but it's not bad. So you would have more floral arrangements in the park if the weather was nice and the season was in. So I reckon if you want me to come back here when this is actually full in bloom, let me know, because I'd say that would be fantastic. I'd say even, you know what, you could probably get away with a nice photo shoot here actually as well. Early in the morning, get the golden light in. Oh, it'd be beautiful. I'm not sure what tree or what plant that is. It would be fantastic. Fully flowered. Yeah. It's a very standard park. I think it's just something to walk your dog, or you just want to do 20 laps, joggers in the morning or the afternoon or whatever. It's just nice to have that bit of greenery in the city jungle. As you can see, there's a crane in the background there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a crane in the background there with the building. So we're not too far from the canal, which then leads into the city centre. But yeah, if anyone actually lives in one of these houses, I'd love to do like a cribs version, So if anyone lives in these houses, or anyone lives in these houses that would love to showcase the house, feel free to hit me up and comment below, or I think I have my email in the about me description on YouTube. Very pretty garden. I love the way the bush is kind of so deep. And the tree in the middle as well. Very beautiful. So yeah, I think we're kind of coming up to. I'm testing out a new algorithm of 5-minute videos, 5 minutes or less videos. Quicker to edit, quicker to upload, and not as boring. So yeah, let me know what you think of the new version of these videos. I've done parks on the south side. If you like these parks, I could do ones on the north side. There was one of them that is a private residence only, which I feel is very wrong. Fitzwilliam Square. So I'll give that one a negative review if I can. It's a park, it's a public park. How can you... Well, it's not public, it's private now. But like, just because the residents decide to put a lock on it, it now belongs to them. Yeah. Anyway, let's not get into politicals. So yeah, let me know what you think. What you want to see as well. Like, what else in Dublin? I'm trying to get my Dublin videos up because of my trip. So let me know what you want to see, and I'll try to get as many of them as I can before I head off at the end of January. I booked my tickets. I just have to go through the whole visa process and all that stuff now. So it's going to happen, and then the last 2 weeks I'm going to self-isolate so I don't get caught with anything, because if you have to get a test before you go, and if you fail that, you can't go. You have to get a test when you land as well. So I'm going to be very, very, very ultra strict. I'm not even going to risk going out just to do the food shopping, and that's it. Staying in the house, very few visitors, just to hedge my bets of being able to get through to Thailand and then spend 2 months there. If you want to be seeing videos of Thailand, let me know as well quick before I go, because when I'm over there I won't have much internet access really during the day, because I'm going to be busy. I'm going to be working and then I'm going to be doing photo shoots, but if I know that you want to see videos, I can do walking videos over there. I'll be doing it's not confirmed yet, but Bangkok, Phuket, Hua Hin and Koh Samui. Pattaya is still undecided as of yet, but we may do that as well. So if you want to see walking videos of them, there will be 2 minute videos because I'll pass out from the heat. 2 minutes in that heat. Anyway, that's that video. Like, subscribe, comment if you like. Bye.